Welcome back, Mad Eds. We're all nicely refreshed. We've just took a couple of days out at Mum and Dad's house, chillaxed, and as we left it last time, my dad went for a big... Yeah, we won't say. How are you feeling after your big?
Relieved?
So yeah, we'll leave that conversation at that. And yeah, we're all freshened up, showered, changed, chillaxed, and Davey's going to be asking the questions this time, not me. We're going to let him do the questioning. So over to you, Davey. It's your turn to get some work done.
Oh, thank you, Shaun. What do you reckon? 10 out of 10 to that trip then?
It's definitely a 10 out of 10. But serious note, it was a fantastic trip. I really enjoyed it. For someone who's never sailed before, with someone like you, Davey Bones, and Madcat sailing, it was fantastic. Do I get paid for being
Yeah. Does he get paid? That's one of the questions. No, it isn't.
Would you do it again? It's a shame we didn't make a sailor out of you.
Well, Davey Bones, I would do it again, but not on a long voyage, a short voyage, out to sea for the day and back again. No offence to you, Davey Bones, or Madcat sailing. It was a great experience, but I am 66 and I want to see 70.
And here's me thinking you're 177. What was ye worst time on the boat? For me it was smelling your backside for the last few days.
Well, not having a shower for 4 days and fatigue and getting wet through at the end, I was just desperate to get to land. We didn't seem to be getting any nearer.
What did you reckon to sailing our small boat? Small and mighty ship on the big sea.
Well, it's a small boat, but it's got a big heart. And I was very surprised for a small boat challenges in them seas. It was a great experience, Davey Bones, with you and Madcat sailing, rocking and rolling on them high and low waves. It was an experience.
Well guys, there you have it. Dad's had a grilling from Davey Bones. He's give it 10 out of 10. Nothing to do with having to walk the plank or anything like that. Cool, calm, collected. He's rode the North Sea. 1 to 2 metre high waves, 4-6 winds. Get in, up there. Live the dream. Would he come back? Of course he would. You know he's coming back. He says he won't. Give it time. The fever kicks in and he has to come back.
Does he have to come back?
What's that, Davey? You don't want him back. He stunk. He stunk for 5 days. Well, we know he stunk for 5 days in a small cabin, but might need might need some crew in the future, lad. We'll see. So, on that note, it's goodbye from me, and we're going to leave you with some facts and figures just as we leave. And it's goodbye from Davey, and it's goodbye from my dad. Catch you next time, Mad Eds.